In this video, I'm going to talk about another job opportunity for you, and it is for the position of business trainee, and it is in the organization of Medtronic. This job is under sales category. So let's know details about this job. At the very first, we need to know what should be the responsibilities for this job. Here you can see promotes and sells Medtronic's products and services within an assigned geographic area and or specific customer accounts to meet or exceed sales target. The second one is they're responsible for developing, building, and strengthening long-term relationship with the stakeholders, including distributors and healthcare professionals. Third one, responsible for pursuing leads, assessing needs, and providing product services to maximize the benefits derived from Medtronic's products and services. The next one is promotes and establishes education of the company's products or services, conducts market research including customer and competitors activities, implement market development plans and strategies, and the last one is that communicates customer feedback on new products or notifications to existing products or applications to internal stakeholders. Okay, so these are the responsibilities you need to do. So now let's see what are the must-have minimum qualification. The first one is that bachelor's degree is required here, and 0 years of experience required with an introductory knowledge of company products and services. That means if you are a fresher, then you can apply here for this job. Okay, so these are the important thing you need to know about this job. So to apply in this job, all you need to just simply click here, apply for job. So okay, when you click here, apply for a job, then you'll get this page here. As you're a new user here, just you need to simply click your new user, then you'll be able to create your account and apply for this job opportunity. So you'll get the link of this job in the video description, so check here and you'll get the link.